Hey guys, I'm back and today we will be discussing about the first factor that affect the solubility, that is the nature of a solvent or a solute. So let's start. Basically the first factor that affect the solubility is nature of a solute or a solvent. Nature means behavior of a substance. So basically substance with similar chemical characters dissolves more easily. So the first point in this nature of the solute or solvent comes that the substance which are having similar chemical properties dissolves more easily. And then let's see second point. Compounds with similar intermolecular forces are readily soluble in each other. So the intermolecular force, that is the force present between the particles inside the matter, intermolecular force, the compounds which are having similar intermolecular force of attraction, they dissolve more easily in the with each other. And the third point is polar solvent, polar solute dissolves with polar solvent. So basically the polar molecules, that is the molecules having charge. Polar molecules are having charge. So the polar solute dissolves with polar solvent. And then let's see the another point, fourth point. Non-polar substance like cholesterol, dissolves with non-polar substance. Dissolve with non-polar substance. Example, benzene and cholesterol. So basically the compound which are non-polar, that is they do not have a charge, such as cholesterol dissolves with benzene. Basically these two are the non-polar substances and these two dissolves very easily. So what we can conclude from these 4 points, that the conclusion is like dissolves with like. So basically the substance which are having similar chemical properties dissolves easily. It is similar to our real life, that we make friends which are similar to us. We cannot make a friend which is totally opposite to us, which are having different opinion from us. So similarly here also the substance which are having similar things will dissolve easily. Thank you guys. In next lecture we will be discussing about the second factor that affect the solubility, that is temperature. Thank you guys.